Hello everyone, this is Harshita Khare and I am going to demonstrate a simple topic of linear algebra, which is elimination method. So we are going to explain the elimination method by taking an example. So my example is, let us uh, we have two equations, 5x plus 2y is equals to 10 and 3x minus 2y is equals to 6. This elimination method is based on two variables. First is x, second is y. So we have to find out the value of x and y by using these two equations. So how we can find out the values of x and y? This is just simple method that is known as elimination method. In elimination method, we have to eliminate any one variable and find out the second one. So in these two equation 1 and 2, we just add these two equations. We will get 8x, this plus positive 2y and negative 2y will get cancelled out, and 8x is equals to 16, and x is equals to 16 by 8, which is equals to 2. By substituting the value of x is equals to 2 in equation, any equation 1 or 2, 5x is replaced by the value 2 plus 2y is equals to 10. Then 10 plus 2y is equals to 10. Then 2y will be 0. Then y is equals to 0. So we will find the value of x and y is equals to 2 and 0 accordingly. That is the answer of our equation. Now we will consider another example. 3x plus 2y is equals to 5. 2x plus 5y is equals to 7. Here we can see that the both variables are different, equation number 1 and 2. But the both variable here is 3x and 2y. Here is 2y and here 5y. Both are indifferent. So we have to equate these two equations by multiplying this 2 by 3, this equation, this whole equation, and 3 by multiplying 3 by equation number 2, which means we have to multiply this variable 2, variable 2 to equation number 1, that is 3x plus 2y is equals to 2 into 5. Similarly, by 3 in equation number 2, 3 into 2x plus 5y is equals to 3 into 7. Let us denote this as equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. This will become 6x plus 4y is equals to 10 and 6x plus 15y is equals to 21. Now we have to adding this equation number 5 and 6. Equation number 5 and 6. Now we have to add this equation number 5 and 6 by adding these two. This is the multiplication, result of multiplication. Now we have to add equation number 5 and 6. 6x plus 4y is equals to 10. This equation is added with equation 6x plus 15y is equals to 21. How we can add these two? 6x plus 4y is equals to 10. 6x plus 5y is equals to 21. Now here we can see, this is 15, sorry. Now here we can see By adding these two, we cannot eliminate any variable. So we have to revert the sign of equation number 6. Reverting means this positive will become negative, this positive will become negative, and this positive will become negative. And we considered 6 positive 6x as my negative 6x, positive 15y as negative 15y, and positive 21 as negative 21. So we can eliminate 6x, positive 6x minus negative 6x easily, and here we can get minus 11y is equals to minus 11, and y will become 11 by 11, which is equals to 1. By substituting the value of y in any equation, equation number 1 or 2, 3x plus 2y is equals to 5. This one is our equation number 1. So here we can put the value of y. 3x is plus 2 into 1 is equals to 5. 3x plus 2 is equals to 5. 3x is equals to 5 minus 2, and x will become 3 by 3, that is equals to 1. So we can find the value of x and y is equals to 1 and 1. That is the simple method of find the value of x and y by using elimination method. Thank you.